this clip we will talk about the mistakes that we made when organizing a trip to Rainbow Mountain, Vinicunca, and most importantly we will share 3 tips for you to maximize your experience when you are there. This was just one leg of our trip around Peru, and if you want to see and learn more before planning your visit there, please subscribe to our channel so you can be notified when new clips are uploaded. Next one will be about Cusco. And if you are interested in visiting Machu Picchu, please look at this video. Returning to our trip to Vinicunca, after leaving Cusco early morning and after around 4 hours of driving, we finally arrived at the lower level park. And after a short break and very short drive to the higher level parking, we were ready for our adventure.
Familia en la montaña, en esta parte, y en el mirador hacen filas.
Very shortly after leaving the parking, maybe after a few minutes of walking, you will probably realize what we did, that instead of walking, you should rather take a bike or quad trip to the top. Most tours take visitors to the Rainbow Mountain on foot, so we actually didn't know that riding a motorbike or quad up to the top was even possible. However, there are some small group tours organized from Cusco, where you first drive by bus and then you take an ATV almost to the top.
There is continuing a little bit more up, then more steep. There you look.
The walk itself is not long, probably between 1.5 and 2 kilometers, and it's a moderate climb, from around 4,300 meters at the parking level to around 5,000 meters at the top. However, the altitude is so high that it takes around 1.5 and 2 hours, and mainly it's due to shortness of breath and dizziness. The second tip is to take enough cash for this trip, in Peruvian soles and in US dollars. If you didn't take a quad trip to the top, at the bottom of Rainbow Mountain you will easily realize that it's not worth to walk on foot both ways. So either on the way up or way down, you should definitely take a horse ride, and for that you need cash.
Chocolate con queso, rocoto relleno, mintas, tamarindo, dulce, salado.
During the last part of the climb, it became quite obvious to us that you should spend at least 3-4 days in Cusco, or go to Machu Picchu first before taking this trip. We did it after arriving from Lima late at night and after spending just one full day in Cusco. And obviously, it was not enough to acclimatize to high altitude. By the way, the snowy peak in the background is Ausangata with elevation of 6,384 meters, so almost 21,000 feet.
Mami, muchas gracias. Todas las fotos posibles. Cuando esté listo, me avisa del centro. Eso, disfrute sus vacaciones, muchachos. Disfrute, ¿ya? Dime, Marquitos. Subiendo la montaña de colores, hazme una videollamada.
So to summarize, before going to Rainbow Mountain, please spend at least 3-4 days in Cusco to acclimatize. Take a quad bike trip instead of walking tour, and if not, then take a horse ride either up or down. That would save you around 1 hour, so you will have more time to enjoy the views at the top, or you will have time to take additional walk to Red Valley Lookout. If you also visited Vinicunca, please share your experience with us under this video. And if you enjoyed this clip or found it useful, please subscribe to our channel for more clips and tips about traveling around Latin America. Oh.